Hello, welcome. This is Mr. Rody. Welcome to the YouTube channel. We have 4B out here. Everyone say hi.
Hi.
Excellent. So we're going to get started with how to use our calculator to calculate one quantitative variable statistics on this calculator. So let's go through each step and take it one step at a time. First of all, we need to click on Stat. All right, so the Stat button is going to be right here next to the left arrow. So click on Stat. Now, it's going to open up a menu. You're going to want to click on Edit. Press Enter. Excellent. All right, so notice how there are several columns here in the menu. L1, L2, L3, L4, L5. Those stand for list. List of what? List of data. Every data set that you have is going to be another list. So for example, I have a data set right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to put all the data into this list. So to do so, I'm going to click 1 and press Enter. 2, plus Enter. 3, Enter. 4, Enter. And 5, Enter. Okay, so now I have my whole data set typed into this L1 column. Now, once you have the data, you're not going to sit there and stare at it. We're going to do stuff with it. So, in particular, we're going to calculate the summary statistics. So go to Stat, and then you're going to go right where it said Calc. That stands for Calculate. You're going to go to number 1 where it said 1 Variable Stats. Enter. All right, so here we go. We have a list right here, and it's asking you, hey, what list do I want to do a statistic operation on? Well, which list did I use? I put all those numbers into what? The first column, L1. So what I'm going to do is, if you have something else, like L2, L3, L4, L5, you're going to click on Second, Stat. Okay, and why do you do that? Because if you look in blue, it says list right here. Okay, you're going to click on the list that you have your data in. In this case, I have it in L1, so I'm going to click Enter. And that should set the appropriate list. Frequency list, we are not going to use, because this is quantitative data. We're going to click on Calculate. Oh, look at that. Wonderful. So now we have a bunch of, summary statistics for our data set. Let's see if we can renumber what these summary statistics stand for. Let's start with the top. This is going to be X bar. So X bar. What does X bar stand for? Let's see here. What does X bar stand for? Nice and loud so we can all hear.
Mean.
Mean? That's excellent. It does stand for the mean. Okay, so that's your average, that's your mean. All right, let's do another one. How about sigma x? What does sigma x stand for? Let me zoom in here. Let's call on someone.
Yes, sir.
Sigma x, what does that stand for?
You know what I think it is? The sum of multiple things. The sum of multiple things.
The sum, right, absolutely, great job. So we have sum of what? What is it? Sum x is 15, because if we add up all the numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that all equals 15, okay? So that's what's happening here. Oh, here's a good one. What about SX? Let's call on someone. Where's standard deviation. Excellent. Standard deviation. Okay. We're going to use the top one, okay, in this class for now. The bottom one is also a standard deviation, but we're not going to use it right now. Right now, whenever I ask you for a standard deviation, I want you to use SX. Later in the course, we'll find out what the difference is between those two standard deviations. All right, next up is N. What does N stand for?
Number of data values.
That's perfect. The number of data value. You can label that count or number of, etc. However you want to do it. How many data values do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Literally, we have 5 data values, and so that's why it says and it's 5. Now, min x is your minimum. Q1 is your first quartile. This is the median. This is the third quartile, and finally, you have your maximum. So, that is how we use our calculator to find summary statistics. Now, if you click on Calc and you go to Edit, let's say you want to delete everything that's in this list. The way you can delete it is by pressing Up. Notice how it gives you the whole data set in this row. What you're going to do is you're going to clear the data set. Press clear, and now there's nothing in there. Okay, if you press enter, all right, it will delete everything. Perfect. That's it. Wow, what an amazing time here in statistics. This is so much fun. I hope you had as much fun as we did. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Again, this is Mr. Rody from 4B Statistics. Statistics class, let's say goodbye to our audience.
Bye.
Bye.